Welcome to HSM YouTube channel. I'd like to share some advice with you on how to get started freelancing on Upwork. Compared to other online platforms for freelancers, Upwork is the largest marketplace for independent contractors and offers a very secure platform with legitimate clients and work at an affordable starting point. After seeing this video, I will undoubtedly demonstrate for you how to receive responses and close business. And I will also walk you through the process step by step. There are too many contests on Upwork these days, but if you have abilities, I can tell you how to start freelancing. Just wanted to let you know that I started working as a freelancer on Upwork in 2020. Since then, I have created 15 to 20 successful accounts from scratch and have developed a solid grasp of Upwork's methodology. Number 1. Sign up your account on Upwork. Finish up your profile. Make a thorough, business-like profile that emphasizes your qualifications, experience, and knowledge. Add a readable and amiable profile photo. Number 2. Select a specialty. Focus on developing a particular skill set or expertise. Experts are frequently preferred by clients over generalists. Number 3. Create an intriguing summary. Provide a succinct and interesting synopsis that highlights your qualifications, experience, and special qualities. Focus on your client and emphasize how you can help them with their issues. Number 5. Create a robust portfolio. If you don't have any reviews, your portfolio is the most significant aspect of your profile. Your portfolio should contain your best work. This makes it easier for clients to comprehend the caliber of your work and the variety of projects you've worked on. And make 5 to 7 catalogs, ranging in price from cheap to middle. Number 6. Make every proposal unique. Make your bid specific to every job advertising. Specifically address the needs of the client and outline your qualifications for the position. Number 7. Emphasize experience that is relevant. In your proposals, highlight experience that is relevant. Give concrete instances of how you've managed comparable assignments in the past. Number 8. Communicate with professionalism. Be prompt and professional in your communication. Be prompt in your response to client messages and communicate clearly. Number 9. Produce top-notch work. As soon as you get a job, make producing excellent work your top priority. Gaining success as a freelancer depends on getting good feedback and happy clients. Number 10. Request input. Request client input once a project is finished. Positive reviews increase the legitimacy of your profile and draw in more customers. Number 11. Be persistent and patient. It takes time to establish a successful freelance profession. Remain persistent, have patience, and keep improving your approach and profile in light of your experiences. Recall that developing a lucrative freelance profession is a continuous effort. Maintain a proactive approach to looking for chances on the platform, adjust to the needs of your clients, and keep your skills updated. I believe everyone now understands the prerequisites for beginning freelancing on Upwork. In addition, I introduce myself and share some intriguing advice on how to increase response rates. We appreciate you watching, and don't forget to use the like, subscribe, and icon buttons to see more interesting videos.